Yo, what's going on? What's good with y'all, man? Jamal Way, man. It's been a minute since I've been on my YouTube channel, but this video right here will be me telling you guys how I plan on coming back. 2022 for me was a long year. It was a drawn out year. It felt like it was taking forever to end. It finally ended. We in 2023, and I just want to let y'all know I will be bringing way more videos to y'all this year. I will be dropping way more consistency videos, and I really appreciate everybody who's been sticking it out with me, what I'm saying, as this process been going on. I got new things that I plan on bringing to my channel, such as, vlogs, insight, how to make money, how to, reach financial freedom, how to teach yourself how to, really make money off your music for the artists out here that's independent, and I just want to let y'all know that I really appreciate every thing that y'all been doing for me as far as the support. What I'm saying? Sharing my videos and liking it, commenting, subscribing. Within 2022 to 2023, I gained over 3,000 subscribers. What I'm saying? I'm touching about roughly 92,000 subscribers. So I'm hoping to hit 10,000. You know, it's coming. But I really just appreciate all y'all. What I'm saying? I plan on bringing way more content to this YouTube channel. And I just want y'all to know that, man, it's up from here, man. If you guys want to ask me any questions or y'all want to talk to me about, what exactly I'm planning on bringing to my channel, I'll be sure to leave my links in the description. So y'all be sure to check it out. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to, like, comment. And yeah, I really appreciate it, man. I'm definitely going to be bringing new content to y'all. I'll be shooting from here. So y'all be seeing me doing gaming. Y'all be seeing me, talking to y'all about this music. And I'll be dropping more music videos as well. So I really appreciate all the support. Y'all definitely stay tuned in. You know what I'm saying? You see it right here. You know, I'm going to tell y'all what that meaning is behind there. I don't know if y'all can kind of see it right there, but yeah, man, this is definitely going down, and I'm looking forward to just, showing y'all what I got to bring. So, stay tuned in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, man. Until next time, I'm out. Let's go.